My name is Mandy Atterholt, and we are at Atterholt Farms here in Ohio. Our family is one of many family farms and ranches across the United States, and we are proud to be a part of the Raising Angus Cattle to contribute to the Certified Angus Beef brand. This farm has been in the family since 1956. My husband's grandparents purchased this farm, and then we had the opportunity to purchase it from them. And involved in the operation today would be our family, so my husband Aaron and I and our 3 kids, Claire, Natalie, and Tyler. It's truly a family operation involving everyone. We don't have any full-time employees, so a lot of the family is the full-time workforce here.
During the summer, me and Natalie and our cousins Macy and Callie help unload straw and hay and stack it in the barn. I love having a family farm because I get to see the cows and I just get to work with them and have fun.
We work day in and day out to make these cattle a priority. We make sure they have everything they need. We keep them happy and healthy. And our goal is that the cattle never have a bad day. They always have access to pasture and fresh water. And we want to just make sure that, they have a good day every day. So when you go to your local grocery store, look for that Certified Angus Beef logo. If it's not certified, it's not the best.